I am naturally anti-slavery. If slavery is not wrong, nothing is wrong. I cannot remember when I did not so think and feel.
Abraham Lincoln, 16th President of the United States, which are quickly unraveling over the question of slavery. 4 long years of civil strife and nearly 500,000 men, black and white alike, are laid in the long sleep of death. In signing the Emancipation Proclamation and urging passage of the 13th Amendment, Lincoln says, "In giving freedom to the slave, we assure freedom to the free. We shall nobly save, or meanly lose, the last best hope of earth."